Welcome. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Let's have a look at the poem Burning of the Books. When the regime commanded the unlawful books to be burnt, teams of dull oxen hauled huge cartloads to the bonfires. Then a banished writer, one of the best, scanning the list of excommunicated text, became enraged. He had been excluded. He rushed to his desk full of contemptuous wrath to write fierce letters to the morons in power. "Burn me," he wrote with his blazing pen. "Haven't I always reported the truth? Now here you are, treating me like a liar. Burn me." Have a look at the summary of Burning of the Books. The poem The Burning of the Books is written by Bertolt Brecht, a German dramatist poet faced persecution and ban from Nazi regime of his native country. The poem was originally written in the German language but later translated into English by John Willett. It describes the century-old conflict between the ruling class and the artist community. In the poem, the regime passed an executive order to ban books which contain harmful knowledge. They are carried to a place for burning. It is unknown what constitutes harmful knowledge. The regime has its own vested interest in banning the books. The content questions their autocratic rule and represents ideologies opposed to Nazism. A renowned writer who has been banished from the country checks the list of banned books. He was shocked when he can't see his books on the list. He hastens to his desk on wings of wrath, which means he angrily writes a letter to the rulers of his native country. He challenges them to burn him. He further questions them if his books never reported the truth, and by not putting his books on the list, they are terming the writer as a liar. He exclaims with provocation to burn him. His anger is reflected in his words. The writer believes that it is honorable for a writer to earn tyrant rulers' criticism. Genuine and true writer portrays harsh truth which the regime curbs and prevents it from spreading among common people. This can lead to rebellion against the regime. Thus the end of the summary. Thanks for watching. We meet again next video with another interesting topic.